What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So today we are introducing the most stunning future flagship smartphone that everyone is waiting for a long time. Yes, today we are introducing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra flagship with an S Pen stylus that appears on new high quality renders. It seems that Samsung is going to abandon the Galaxy Note 21 family. Coming in the video, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra new stunning official design, smartphone characteristics, battery, chipset, features, release date, and much more. Please watch the full video content. About a month later, on January 14th, the presentation of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series smartphones will take place. Resource Let's Go Digital, in partnership with Italian designer SHARE, presented high-quality renderings of the senior representative of the named family. Yes, we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It is claimed that the device will receive support for the proprietary S Pen, which will allow owners to take handwriting notes, sketches, and much more, like the previous Galaxy Note 20. If you believe the available information, the equipment of the new items will include a 6.8 inches display on an OLED matrix with QHD Plus resolution. It speaks of an adaptive refresh rate reaching 120 Hz in the center of the top of the screen, like the previous Galaxy S20 and Galaxy Note 20 line. You can see a small hole for a single selfie camera with an estimated resolution of 40 megapixels. The main multi-module camera supposedly incorporates a 108 megapixel sensor, a 12 megapixel unit with ultra wide angle optics, a 10 megapixel component with 10x zoom, and another 10 megapixel sensor. The camera will include a laser focusing system. Depending on the modification, the Samsung Exynos 2100 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor will be used. Buyers will be able to choose between versions with a flash drive with a capacity of 128, 256, and 512 GB respectively. The Galaxy S21 Plus smartphone is credited with a 6.7 inches AMOLED matrix, also with a 120 Hz refresh rate. In most regions of the world, the novelty will be offered on the basis of the yet unannounced Samsung Exynos 2100 processor as Galaxy S21 Ultra. Among other things, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1 adapters are mentioned, as well as a 5000 mAh battery. The novelty will come with the Android 11 operating system, complemented by the proprietary One UI 3 add-on. Samsung today confirmed that its new flagship chip will be unveiled on January 12th. 2 days later, the company will officially unveil the Galaxy S21 series of smartphones. It will include the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, and Galaxy S21 Ultra models. The prices of smartphones are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.